Interesting.
Adams, California fixtures, to be specific.
Interesting. You go first.
All right.
Oh, look at this old
Square.
indicator. Look at the old lantern.
Oh yeah, there's a lantern there. Here's our fixtures.
There's Nathan.
Yep, I'm here. I'm part of the elevator.
He is. 3.
3. No door closed button.
I wonder who installed this. We'll have to check the records.
Yeah. By the looks of it, with the way the framing is, probably US.
True.
Well, let's see what's up here. Probably gonna have to go straight.
Oh wait, there's more above here. Oh right, yeah, I forgot we're not at the top. Oh wow.
I'm gonna hold the door like this.
I wonder if it used to be birdcage because the stairway goes around it.
Oh.
Hold on, let me get a picture of that COP.
Did I get a COP picture? Yeah, Adams, or is that Adams or is it GL?
I think it might be Epco.
Epco. Right.
Well,
they
because
all-
that's an Epco lantern.
Yeah. Well, and everybody made the same identical square fixture.
Yeah.
Adams, Epco, GAL, they all made one of these.
Well, it does have an Adams key switch, so I think it actually is Adams.
Yeah.
Well, that was interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting how they have a analog indicator on the outside and digital inside.
Yeah.
That's it.